Hi Momenters, thanks for watching another Moments by Boothe video. If you're new to the channel, I'm Boothe, real estate YouTuber and realtor, and today we're about to check out my brand new listing located at the Camelot village in Discovery Bay, St. Ann. It is a 2-bed, 2-bath, single family home that is going for an asking price of $120,000 JMD per month. If you're interested in this property, you can reach out to me at 819-9918, or you can send me an email at akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm. But enough for the chattings, I know you're ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Alright, so this is the unit. The yard was freshly cut. And of course, as I mentioned in my intro, it's a 2-bed, 2-bath home. And I like how these ones down in the Camelot village are designed. I really like the design of them. We can walk around so you guys can see what's going on from side to side. So the gas pan is installed there, and I don't know if you saw it, but you have a garbage bin right there. You also have a solar water heater at the top. You have a large lot, and you can see, I don't know if you're seeing it, but you can see the Caribbean Sea from this vantage point. This is the backyard. Back up so you can see it. Well, not the backyard, but your the back of your yard. Big up on there for lending me their vehicle for the weekend every time. The all new Santa Fe. You can check out my Instagram at Moments by Boothe for more content with that Hyundai Santa Fe that I had for the weekend. You can also check out my other video that I will be creating, or did create. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this first or the video of my weekend first, where you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay in touch so to see what I'm posting. I have other properties coming back in Kingston and St. Catherine side as well. Brand new properties coming out in Kingston and St. Catherine very soon. So let's move on inside and check out what is available right now. Alright. So as you step inside, it's a fully open concept design. So the property owner gave you some curtain rods. They put in all new fans as well. This is a gated community. It comes equipped with an internal alarm system. This is the remote for the fan. Of course, it is windy. What else do you buy? Always have to get a windy. Alright. Coming down, this is the kitchen. And what I like about the properties that are at the Camelot village, the wash tub area is pre-built in, so you don't have to worry about that. So that's your kitchen. Come around. Cutout is there for you, for the gas company to run the gas line. They'll do that for you. All you have to do is call them and tell them that you want to have it done, and they'll sort that out for you. So where your refrigerator goes, you get a overhead pantry area as well. Pretty nice, soft close. Bam. Additional space here, soft close again. Bam. Additional space, soft close again. Bam. And then of course, as I mentioned, you have a laundry area. So you have an area for your traditional wash tub that is over here, and then for your washer and dryer. As you can see, the fixtures are there for if you want to put hot and cold water in. Show you the backyard again, but we've already been outside here. Love that little sea view that we get right there. So moving back this way, again, this is your dining and living area. 2 nice windows right there, and one to the front. And then you have a little pantry area that is right here, or additional storage again. So down this side, they give you lots of storage, which I like. Let's move to these bedrooms first. Well, the bedroom this side first. And even though it's one bedroom on the side, they give you 2 access points to the bathroom. So of course, you know, if you have friends and family over, they can always access a bathroom to use it without having to go through your bedroom. And that's always a nice touch, always. So you have the shower cubby, that's here, window, curtain rod, shower head, and I'm trying to make this video as detailed as possible so you guys see absolutely everything that is here. It has a raised edge, so of course water doesn't run out. You have the floating vanity that is here, soap holder, toothbrush holder, space, towel rag holder. Me, hit that subscribe button, support the channel. If it's not your first time here, or if it's your first time here and you really love the video, you can hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well. It doesn't cost you anything. Toilet paper holder, that's your toilet. Alright, and you have a towel rack right here, and you can access the bathroom from that bedroom as I mentioned before. So let me close this up. Come into this bedroom so you can see. You have a light fixture right here. You have a power outlet right here. You have another power outlet that's right there. Beautiful fan again. You have another power outlet right there. Window shows you on the outside. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright. Your closet is right there with some overhead space. The fixtures are in for air conditioning as well. There is no air conditioning in at present. It's just the fans. But if you want to install the unit, you can get the approval from the property owners and definitely do your thing. Real estate is all about negotiating. So whatever it is that you want, you can always try to negotiate for it. Alright, we're back into the bathroom. I didn't show you that light fixture up there, but that's there. Alright. Give you one final look of the bedroom. Alright. And as a matter of fact, I wear a size 12. So from the door, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, say 12 and a half. Alright, 12 and a half coming this way, and then we're going that way now. So it's 12 and a half from there to there, and then we're going across. So that's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3/4, 10 and 3/4. Alright. So you guys have an understanding of the size of the space, because one of my foot is 1 feet, or 1 foot. Yeah, one of my foot is 1 foot. So moving into the bedroom now. And if I can find the dimensions online, I'll put them in the video for you guys so you guys know the dimensions of the property. But let me show you guys the space first and then we'll measure it after. So you have a fan on the inside again. So both bedrooms and the living room has a fan. 2 windows inside here. Right? You have a power outlet right there behind the door. You have another one right here. You have one more over here. And I'll look to see if there's one around the corner there. You have a lighting fixture right here. Right. Settings, fittings for if you want the air conditioning. This is the view from outside this primary bedroom window. That door is going to, yeah, the closet space, right? And it's identical closets in both bedrooms, identical, there's no difference. All right, so it's just 3 plugs inside here. And then this is where I guess you're expecting it to mount your television, because that's where. But you can run a wire and mount a TV anywhere you choose. Additional space up top. And then you have the bathroom here. So the shower is to your right as you step in. The cubby, place your soap, your face cleanser, your shampoo, your conditioner. Yeah. And if you jump on my Instagram, I'll show you what I use in my skincare routine, my face skincare routine. Because of course, look good, feel good, or better yet, look good, smell good, feel good. That's my saying. Look good, smell good, feel good. So from you look good, from you smell good, you go feel good. Let me know if you like my little saying. But yeah, floating vanity again. Right, similar setup like before. Alright, almost fell just now. Oh, it is. And then what I like is the toilet is tucked away around the corner. I always like when toilets are tucked away, so it's not the first thing you see when you enter a bathroom. For me, it's just a touch that I like when developers do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this particular property. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this property tour. Contact me if you're interested in renting this 2-bed, 2-bath Camelot Village home. It is brand new. No one has ever lived in it. The only thing that has happened inside this house is the ceiling fans were installed. Other than that, it's just as the property owners got it when they purchased it as their investment property, and now they're looking for someone who can make it their home at least for a year period. All right, so if you're interested, contact me at 819-9918, or you can send me an email at akeem@sotheby'srealty.com.jm, and stay tuned for more videos on the Moments by Boothe YouTube channel. More rentals coming up, more Airbnb tours, more real estate news, so much more coming. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys who have stuck by me from day one. I know I try to be consistent, but it's very hard servicing clients and keeping up with the content, I must say. And so many of you guys reach out to me to provide you with assistance on your real estate journey. And I just want to say I truly appreciate it. I'm trying to stay consistent with the content, but it's very difficult, so see with me. But I know for sure I have at least 3 videos from this weekend that I came down to St. Anne that I have to post. So you'll be seeing those videos very soon. And then again, as I mentioned, I have some properties coming in St. Catherine and in Kingston up for rent as well and for sale. But look out for those as well. And in the interim, as soon as I finish watching this video, head on over to my Instagram and follow me, because I'm working with a lot of food brands right now. I am a foodie, separate and apart from real estate. I truly love food, and I've gotten the opportunity to move into the food influence space. And I've been working with brands like St. Mary's, Red Stripe, Mother's, KFC, so many different brands, Island Grill, and so many more brands to come that I'll be working with and I'll be doing collaborations with on my Instagram. So if you want to see a little bit more Moments by Boothe, you can head on over there and you can follow me. And when we hit 10,000 over there, I'm gonna do a giveaway. And when I hit 30,000 over here, I'm gonna do a giveaway as well. So hit that subscribe button and thumbs this video up if you actually like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. AB signing out.